Dinner time. Come on. Dinner time. Whoa. How you doing, guys? It's dinner time. It's the 9th of October 2020 and the cats are tucking in. They don't need to take photos of their food because I do it for them. There's Brittany there. We have Brittany, the big lilac tortie, and we have Vanity there, and we have Fluffy just here. And while they're eating their dinner, oh, Newie's just brought Lucky to join the dinner party. And while they're having their food, Newie's cooking me some gyoza for my food, which I'm looking forward to. It's really nice to see them all tucking in, being friends. Little Lucky there, eating with it. Hello. I think Vanity's had enough. Oh, Brittany's a big eater, isn't she? Look at her. 5.5 kilogram chunky girl. I wonder how big little Lucky here is going to grow. If you subscribe to Shorthair Cats, you can see her grow into a big cat. Maybe one day she's going to be the same size as Brittany. We don't know, but Brittany is a pretty big chunky girl. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. I'm Shorthair Cats. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.